friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing, and I just got home from vacation in Oklahoma, which I'll tell you more about later, and I have a Tuesday morning haul video and all kinds of great stuff. But I want to open my Echo Park box, and it's kind of a circus here. We haven't been home very long. The old dog isn't feeling good, but our house sitter took awesome care of her, and my husband's playing with the drone, so who knows what could happen, but we'll try this. I haven't peeked at anybody else's videos yet, so I don't have any expectations, but this is the Echo Park warehouse box. They went on sale this week, just a couple days ago. I don't know if there are any left, but you could check at echopark.com. Actually, it's echoparkpaper.com. And so this box was $50, so we'll have to see if it was worth it. Okay, first we have a stencil, so I'm excited about that. Okay, I definitely like this Cartabella stencil very much. And then an ice cream cone stencil to go with all of those summer papers. So we have two stencils and some rosettes that go with summer dreams. I don't know if I have any of this collection, but if I don't, I bet one of my friends does. And some decorative paper clip bows, the Rockabye Baby collection, but these would go with a lot of the spring collections that we've all been using right now. Oh, look at these rosettes, Wedding Bliss. I just really like the colors. I like it when you work in some black into your collections. It just gives it more contrast and fun. So I like these. I've made rosettes before, but now they make them for you, so you don't have to. More paper clip bows. These are Celebrate Easter by Lori Whitlock. That's a collection that I know is out and about right now. Oh my gosh, look at these in the plaids. Cabin Fever decorative bows. I think I'll put these away for my winter cards. These are just too cute with the little snowflakes and stuff. And Once Upon a Time layered stickers. Little Prince, Be Noble, Valiant, Brave and True, Never Grow Up, Adventures. These are pretty cute, and I think these would work for masculine birthday cards. Quite a few of them would too. You could layer them up. Some more decorative bows. Here's Hello Fall from Cartabella. I like the wood grain one and the different colors. Ooh, I like the one with the leaves. Very cute. Here we have some washi tape that's Deck the Halls. I think you could also use this for a lot of other seasons. It's not just red and green. Looks like it has a lot of stuff. And I think I have this collection. I'm a big Echo Park fan, so there's a pretty good chance that I have stuff to go with a lot of these collections. Good Day Sunshine. Oh, this is a summer collection. The brads that go with it. And then some chipboard pieces down here. Very, very cute. I'm going to hold these up so you can see them. These look like rub-ons. Yeah, rub-ons. Oh, A Very Merry Christmas by Cartabella. Okay, I think I have some of this Cabin Fever. This does look familiar, and look at the blue, of course. Bear Hugs Welcome, Wintertime Fun, and it's enamel shaped snowflakes. I will definitely use those. Oh, look at that snowman. Super cute. And Let It Snow. I like those. Okay, Country Kitchen. I do not have this paper pad, and you know how I love a 6x6. Now, I don't know if everybody got the same. Like I said, I didn't peek at anybody's unboxing, but I'm going to after this for sure. And I just want to flip through on this. Oh, this will make cute cards. Really fun cards. Some nice florals in there. Very cute. I like that. So that's Country Kitchen. And then here's an 8x8 paper pad. I'm not even sure I knew Echo Park did 8x8s. And it's dots and stripes. So that'll be fun. I think this will be great for pastels right now. I've been looking for more pastels to round out some of my collections and just to go with things for spring. Oh yeah, that'll be great for some of the stuff I have planned. I really like that. I like that the stripes aren't the same all the way through. And 8x8 is a good size for a card maker. Oh, look at this. Good Day Sunshine chipboard. I love chipboard, you guys. Like, I don't know. I don't get excited. It doesn't occur to me when I see it in the store to get excited. But when I actually use it, I really like it. These will make gorgeous cards. Absolutely gorgeous cards. and they have good colors. Some of the summer collections are just too, maybe 80s is the word I'm looking for me. A little too 80s, but I love these colors. A little more red and blue, red, white, and bluish. Yeah, I like that. Because a little bit of summer is what the whole year is all about. Or the whole year is about. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this stamp. Oh, this is just fabulous. Can you see? It's a giant background stamp with a lovely little floral. Okay. Oh, I love that one. Ooh, this one's fun too. This looks like a punch out that got out of something. Okay, I love this one too. And I really don't have stamps like these, and I've been resisting the urge. I don't think I have one like this, so this will be fun. These would work great for art journals. They would also work great for backgrounds on cards, all kinds of things you can do with them. Okay, these are like punch outs. They're not sticky, but, oh, here we go. This one goes down here. But you can tear them apart, and it looks like they're from different collections. This is the collection that the 6x6 was, I think. They're not really well labeled. And then this is one of the Easter ones. And this one is super cute too. Love these. An Evening in Paris. Shop Uptown. Very beautiful. I think this was it Metropolitan Girl? I can't remember what it was. Cinderella never asked for a prince. She asked for a night off and a dress. Very, very cute. I'm going to set those aside. These are cute. The Best of Friends. Dots on the back. The different cut aparts for the collection. Ooh, I love that stripe. Dinosaur Adventure. This is just a neat color palette. You can do a lot of things with that. And an orange stripe. Okay, a 12 by 12 paper pack of dots and stripes. Looks like it's all pink, red, and black. Dots and stripes. You can't go wrong with that. Oh my, look at this. Silver Foil Stripes Collection Kit. Okay, I love this one. I'm trying to understand, is one side striped and one side solid? I haven't seen this paper at all before. Seems like something I would have purchased. Yeah, so one side is foil stripe and the other side is solid color. So you can flip and layer and do whatever you need to do. Here's another washi. It looks like girls playing games. Can you see that? That's super cute. Super cute. Oh, I love this collection, you guys, and I don't have it. I don't know why I've never bought it. Old World Travel by Karina Gardner. I like her stuff too. It is a really interesting color palette, but you know it's one I'm gonna love. Navy and gray, a little more on the masculine side. You can do some really cool aged journals with this, or you could do masculine cards. I'm excited for this. This will be fun. Is it coming in clear enough? There you go. That'll be fun. I'm not going to unbox all the papers, but if there's anything in particular you want to see, you just leave me a message and let me know, and I will put that out for you. Oh my gosh. Okay. This one, does this one have that? Yeah, this one has the sticker pack too. So, I mean, these are like $20 paper packs, you guys. I'm really excited about these. Happiest place ever. I mean, if we're alive and breathing, we're probably going to a Disney park, and that's what these are just wonderful for. And in fact, we went in August, and I haven't scrapbooked anything from that trip. So this would be super fun. And I love stars on my papers and polka dots. I just really love this collection. So I think that'll be great. Oh, here's Dino Friends. Okay, there's a celebrate word that got away from something. This is great for kids' birthday cards. And there's a lot of neat papers in here that I'll use either way. I don't know if I have any friends that are just fascinated with dinosaurs like I do have goat friends, but maybe. I know I have flamingos, goats. I don't know about dinosaurs. It's probably going to have to be little kids. I could also use this one for a giveaway, just because I'm going to have, when you guys see how much I bought on my trip, oh my gosh, there will definitely be some giveaways coming up. And also, I'm going to do a flash giveaway sometime in the next week, because my 500 subscriber giveaway is not claimed. So be ready for that. I'll just do like a one-day, post it in the morning, and then come back on. I don't know if I'm going to do it tomorrow, Sunday, or if I'm going to wait till next weekend. I hate to do it during the week because I know how the week can be, and I don't want people to miss out. I mean, it's not that you don't appreciate me, you just have a hard week. I get it. This is gorgeous. A Christmas delivery. Merry Christmas. It has the stamp set, or the sticker sheet, and all of this. Oh my gosh, you guys, I bought too much Christmas stuff last year as it is, so this might be a giveaway item too, but it is adorable. Okay, so, and this is Cartabella. If you haven't used their papers, they're just wonderful. One of the reasons that I did not feel guilty about this big splurge is Cartabella and Echo Park are made in the U.S. I live in the U.S. That means there wasn't as much shipping stuff around and polluting the world, so I felt less guilty about it. Okay, I hope you all are having a fabulous weekend. I will be settling back in, and I have a whole bunch of videos in the pipeline and fun stuff. Thanks so much for watching, and like I said, if you want to see a flip through on anything or you have questions, let me know. There are definitely some big giveaways coming because I was on quite a shopping spree. I can't even tell you how many Tuesday mornings I went to, and I hit 2 really fun independent stores while I was in Oklahoma too. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.